We moved summer of '97.
We had little kids at the time. We needed their room set up, so the yard was not a priority at the beginning. There was a deck behind us, and it was not in the best condition. And then I think the deciding factor was my sister wanted to get married out here.
Gasper was the first company we reached out to and turned out to be the last one also. They did give us a 3D model, which we looked at and really brought the project to life and got us even more excited about it. Like that was one of the big selling points of Gasper. They could do the design, do the construction, and do the furniture part of it.
It was helpful getting it from the same place because, of course, they were familiar with what the concept was about the yard. So as soon as we came in, they had ideas on the furniture. When I came home, everything was clean. I know that they were careful about closing the gate all the time behind them for the dog, and I had every confidence they would finish in time. We had my sister's wedding back here right after the project was finished, and we had 100 people at a sit-down dinner with a live band, and it was great. On a Friday night, if we don't have other plans, I love to come out here and just open a bottle of wine. The two of us sit out here, just watch the sunset. Really relaxing after a long week.
Feels great because we get to spend all our evenings and sunsets here.